Hello and welcome. My name is Xander. I will be your instructor through this tutorial. Now, this tutorial is actually part of a whole course which you can access the first stages for free here on YouTube. Now, in this tutorial, I might mention resources and other tutorials. Do check out the link in the video description, which will take you to the playlist, and also there will be a link to the resources so that you can access and follow along here on YouTube. Now, if you like this course, you found it useful, and you want to take that next step, you can find this course over at Udemy. All the links to the resources can be found in the video description. Now, don't forget, also subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and free course giveaways. This module provides a structured approach to designing and managing database tables in PostgreSQL. It covers core database design principles such as defining schemas, primary and foreign keys, constraints, and relationships. So learners will also explore entity relationship diagrams and use SQL and Postgres database management tools such as PGAdmin to create and manage databases. By the end of this module, you would have learnt how to create and modify database tables using SQL. You would know how to define appropriate data types and constraints, establish primary and foreign key relationships, and implement other constraints such as not null, unique checks, and default to maintain data integrity. In this module, we introduce our database ERD, and understanding ERDs and schemas help in designing databases that align with real-world business requirements. And what we will ultimately learn is that a well-structured database ensures efficiency, consistency, and integrity in data storage. Although we spend much of our time in the terminal writing SQL code, we will also learn how to use SQL and PGAdmin, which is a graphical user interface or software for us to use to administrate our database. You will find all of the code that we create in this module connected to this tutorial as a download. You can go ahead and also access the ERD diagram from the downloads connected to this tutorial. And if you do need any setup support with the source code, then do check out the tutorials at the start of the course, which should help you get started. Mastering the fundamentals of database table design, you will gain the skills needed to create structured, efficient, and scalable databases. So this module lays the foundation for building robust data-driven applications, ensuring data integrity and optimizing performance. So essential skills for any database professional or developer.